On Google Earth, you can see some rendered parts of the ocean floor, but much of it is still blurred, not rendered. Here is a compilation. Ridge 01 has 1200 meters drop from top to bottom, or 3900 feet, and the yellow line is 800 kilometers reference line. Ridge 02, 1800 meters drop, or 5900 feet at the yellow pins. Ridge 03, 3900 meters drop, or 12,700 feet. Ridge 04, 4700 meters drop, or 15,400 feet. Ridge 05, 4700 meters drop, or 15,400 feet. Ridge 06, 2100 meters drop, or 60,800 feet. Ridge 07, 4400 meters drop, or 14,400 feet. We have more video and Google pins covering the ridge number 7 at the website. See also paper 13. Ridge 08, 2500 meters drop, or 8,200 feet. It connects South America to Africa. Ridge 09, 2500 meters drop, or 8,200 feet. Ridge 10, 1100 meters drop, or 3,600 feet. Not very high, but a visible imprint. Ridge 11, 2000 meters drop, or 6,500 feet. Z Ridge, 4100 meters drop, or 13,400 feet. It connects South Pole to Africa. To see the same as we do with Google Earth in this video, please turn off water surface under View menu and adjust your preference settings for a 3D view, elevation exaggeration value 1.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.